everyone, and happy Thursday! Dear entomologists, today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Now that we have learned about bees, let's talk about ants. Just like bees, ants are social insects too. They live together in communities called ant colonies. Today, we will start learning about ant colonies. We will learn how ants work together to stay safe, get food, and raise babies. I hope you all have an amazing day. Love, Miss Kemmerling. So what I want to show you is the different jobs that ants have in a colony. So here's a picture of what an ant colony may look like underground. And just like in a beehive, ants have specific jobs within their colonies. So the first type of ant is the worker ant. They build the colony, protect the colony, feed the queen and other ants, care for babies, and collect food. So the worker ant has a lot of jobs. The drone ant, which has wings, their job is to mate with queens. And the third type of ant, the queen ant, the queen ant's job is to lay eggs in the colony. Thank you for tuning into the morning message. I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye!